Hi and welcome back to Exclusively Nail Art. Stay tuned if you'd like to see this kitten-inspired nail art tutorial. These are all of the things that we use for our nail art today. The first is the Sally Hansen Double Duty Base and Top Coat. The next is the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Top Coat number 101. Then we have the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel in Wet My Thistle number 410. The Sally Hansen Miracle Gel in Blacky O, number 849. The LA Colors Art Deco in black. The Shany Cosmetics Nail Art Striper, it's a pink one, number 17. The another LA Colors Art Deco in white. And finally, a Bundle Monster dotting tool to make all of our small details. So the first step, as always, is going to be painting on the base coat. The next step is going to be painting on 2 coats of this base color. So if the first one is not opaque enough, which mine was not, you want to do the second coat to make sure that it's nice and thick. Now that your base color is on, it is time to start actually painting our cat. So the first thing you need is the Miracle Gel Blacky O. And what you're going to do is you're going to paint an crescent at the end of your nail. So you want to make this go about halfway up your nail. You don't want to go too far because you want to make sure you leave room for the ears and the tail. I chose to put my cats on my 2 widest fingernails, which is why I chose my thumb and my middle finger. It gives you the most room to add your details and to make sure you have enough space to have the ears and the tail and the whiskers and all of that stuff. So now that your crescents are done, you need to get your dotting tool and put some of the Blacky O polish on it. You are going to make about 3 big dots on each finger. If your fingernails are longer, then you can do more than 3. If your fingernails are super short, you can just do 2. It just matters how long your fingers are and how crowded or spaced out you want your paws to be. But the big dots are going to be the middle of the paw. Then you switch to the smaller dotting tool and you are going to add 4 small dots on the end of one of the bigger dots. Now it's time to start adding details to our cat, so go ahead and get your black striper and you're going to start adding ears. You do this by putting 2 triangles on the top of the cat's head, kind of out wide, so that the middle has room for the tail. Now that the ears are done, you're going to start painting the tail. So I started with a little line right in the middle for the curve of the tail, and then I went up and around and out to the edge to make my entire tail. Now it is time to get your pink striper, and you are going to use this to make the little pinks in the ears and the nose. To make the pinks in the ears, you just do a little line right in the middle of the ears. Try not to go all the way to the edge. Then to make the nose, you are going to make a little triangle. It's really upside down, so it's flat at the bottom and then pointy at the tops. Go ahead and get out your white striper now. We are going to start by making the whiskers. The way that I do this is by making a V with the white going down towards the edge of your nail and then up towards the ears, and then one straight line in the middle. So now you'll need your dotting tool. You are going to use the bigger end of your dotting tool and you're going to put some of the white polish on it. Then you are going to make 2 big circles above the whiskers and below the ears for the eyes. You want to make sure that these circles are big enough where you can fit 2 smaller dots in the middle. Now you'll need your green polish again, and you are going to use the smaller end of your dotting tool, put some of the paint on your dotting tool and then put those dots right in the middle of the eyes you've already started. It's time to add our final detail. Get back out your black striper and you are going to put a very small black dot right in the center of your eyes. The final step today is going to be painting on your top coat. This is the Miracle Gel top coat so that you have a really thick gel-like finish. And there you have it. That is our finished look. I hope you enjoyed. Now, please enjoy these surprise pictures of my kitten. She is so much fun and she's super cute. So please enjoy. Go ahead and like the video if you liked it and see some other videos here. And you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Thanks for stopping in. Bye.